Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, for example by using the dialer. Just go to the contacts and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. As you can see, our device gives us the opportunity to either take a photo, and after picking this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here you have to decide, of course, where you want to complete the section. So just pick the option whichever you want to. Now let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can also change the size of it. And unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo, but we have to work with what we got. So basically, this highlighted area is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So position it like you want to, and then just tap on OK. As you can see, the photo, let's say the photo just appeared in the camera icon place. So remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And this is our contact. This is how it looks like after saving. You will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list or during the incoming calls from that number. And of course, something crashed, but trust me, after saving it, you will be able to see the photo on the contacts. So basically, that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.